So hello people, today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 1614, that is maximum nesting depth of parentheses, and in this we'll begin with string is a valid parenthesis denoted as VPS if it meets one of the following, that it might be an empty string or a single character not equal to this or this, and a character and it can be written as A concatenated with B, where A and B are in itself valid parentheses. Okay, and then we can define the nesting depth s of any valid parenthesis string as this is equal to 0. Depth of particular this is also equal to 0. Depth of a plus b will be equal to the maximum of depth of a string in particular and the depth of b string in particular, and then depth of this particular string is will be regarded as 1 plus the depth of a string. Okay, where a is a valid parenthesis string. And okay, so for example, we have to tell the which is the maximum depth with like in what is are the maximum number of opening parentheses which we can have. For example, in this we are having 1, then 2, and then we are having closing parentheses. So again the our count is 1, then again we are having 2, and then 3, and after that we are having all the closing parentheses, so our answer comes out to be 3. Okay, so let's directly have two variables that are current and 0, current 0 and my maximum that is also equal to 0, and then we'll be traversing in the string that for character ch in s dot to character array. And what we'll be doing is we'll be checking that if my character is equal to an opening parenthesis, we'll be increasing our current counter, and then we'll be updating our max counter as max will be equal to if my current is less than max. If let's say current is greater than max, let's do it this way, and if my current is greater than max, I'll be adding current, updating the maximum value with current, or else I'll be just having the max. Okay, and then I'll be checking that if my character is equal to an open closing parenthesis, I'll be decreasing my current counter, and at the end I have to just return the maximum. Okay, now let's run it. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.